Hi guys, it's Tana Mongeau, and I probably look worlds different. Your girl is not your girl without fake eyelashes. Today, I'm not wearing those for a very special reason, and that is that I am going to be doing the how I did my makeup in high school, middle school, that whole time. I'm going to show you guys how I did my go-to makeup. I wasn't really going to do this, but then the text started going around, then I was like thinking about it today, and the more and more I thought about it, I was like, dude, Tana, you did your makeup so fucking ugly, so fucking wrong, dirty, disgusting, just all around, no. And I was like, I need to share this with the internet because it is so funny how different I do my makeup now from then, and how like now I think now I myself look so worse. Wondering, no shirt, and this is. You cannot get started with your makeup before you've done this. So you want to go to the store and you want to buy a push-up bra that is very uncomfortable, adds at least 2 cup sizes, and you want to go down entire bra size to 30 double D or D, depending on the fucking store. Just girly things, just bra size information. Oh my God, is your dick hard? Whatever. So I went out and I put up this push-up bra. This adds 2 cup sizes. So this is the goal. Up to your fucking neck, tits out, like seriously. Because in high school, I wanted every single boy to think I had giant tits. I wanted every single person to think I had giant tits. Literally, every single day of school, someone would be like, oh my God, you have such nice boobs. Like, your boobs are so big. And I just thought I had everyone fooled. They were literally like this. I can't even get them the way they were in school. Like, they literally like this. Like, my bra, I would tighten the straps all the way to the front of the bra. Forgot about that one. And I would make it, like, so tight, like, on the back of the bra, but, like, up to here onto my body because it was so tight. And, like, I just... So then I only wore Love Pink and Juicy Couture because in my school you literally were not cool unless you wore those things, which is so fucking sad. I actually hate society. So bonus points if it's also out of dress code. I broke dress code every single day to the point that even my teachers and like everyone just kind of gave up on me. Like they didn't really care when I broke dress code. I was probably like a smaller medium shirts, but I would buy everything in an extra small so that it was ill-fitting and would show my tits and my midriff. Now most people would wear this tank top like this, but I would just go ahead and go like that to like all of my tits were just like out. So I thought it was like so cute. Bonus points also for having on yesterday's makeup. I made sure to take off my makeup, which is like really poorly, so I could like leave excess in my pores causing acne because that's what I was going for. So in high school, I was extremely pale. I was also brunette and I also looked like Michael Jackson. That's like an entirely other video. So I would buy L'Oreal True Match foundation and I would buy it in the lightest shade offered. Bonus points if you haven't washed your hands because acne. And then I would go ahead and just... Yep. For some reason, I always bought my foundation a little bit lighter versus a little bit darker because at this time I was obsessed with making makeup videos. And I always remember Blair and Health saying, never buy your makeup too dark, but they never said not to buy it too light. So I just thought that was like the right thing to do. Drag it down to your neck, but really poorly so that if anyone's close to you, they can literally see the finger lines before you drag it down versus it being entirely blended, you know? Before we move on to eyes, there's a really crucial point. Whenever foundation is left on your fingers, you're going to go ahead and just like that. Like delete your fucking lips. I didn't use concealer or powder. I did not know them yet, so all day my foundation will be like moist and just kind of rub off on your fingers, but it's almost perfect because then when my lipstick wore off, I could just go and back over it just like that. So now I'm going to get CoverGirl's Perfect Point Plus eyeliner. I use this every day. It's so funny because all the products I use are like still available in stores, and like everyone else is like, I had to order this online because like I'm 5 years old when I was in high school yesterday. So now I'm going to take this eyeliner, I'm going to pull my eye as tight as I can, prematurely creating wrinkles, and then you're going to make the shittiest, like, round, this fucked up line. Like, we're not going for anything straight. They're not going to match. They're definitely sisters, not twins. I also put on my foundation, just like, and they just left. Like, it took me like 30 seconds, but now I'm just not that kind of human being. Like, I can't do that to my skin anymore. Now, this is by far the most crucial part of this tutorial. This is the part that made me who I was. In my brain, this was like, if I didn't have this, I wasn't hot. Like, everything else was just like kind of prep for this part. They don't make the mascaras I used to use because it was absolute trash. And this was the only one in the drugstore that I could find like this. But basically, I don't know if you remember, 2-step mascara. One side is white like this, and it's a white mascara. And then the other side is just regular mascara. You guys already know this, and that's why I wear fake eyelashes every day. I have the world's shortest, just most disgusting eyelashes. So this was before I bought fake eyelashes. before I even discovered fake eyelashes, this is what I did to make my eyelashes look better. Step one, you're going to buy the cheapest eyelash curler you can buy. I specifically bought this one. It was $1, and they're going to go in way too close and hurt your eyes. Ow, ow, ow. Ow. Ah. Oh my God, this hurts. But this will make your eyelashes kind of... Ow. Oh my God. It bleeds. It happened once. So you know how you pull mascara out of the tube? There's like that big glob of excess on the tip. The big glob of excess on the tip. I wouldn't even bother going in like this. I would just take the globs of excess and just cake it the fuck on my eyelashes. So the goal is to just look like Roxy the Snowman, just bustest a fat nut all over your eye. I would wake up so early before school to spend so much time just globbing cum all over my eyelashes. So once you've spent like at least 10 minutes putting this all over your eyes, you're not going to like wait for it to fully dry or anything, because like who does that? So all day throughout the day, often girls will be like, what's on your eye? Why are your eyelashes like kind of white? They're kind of gray. Like what's on them? And I'll be just like, I don't know, like baby powder. So just bonus points if you get a little bit of mascara dots on your eyelids. Like I was known for that. That was my signature. I really thought that it looked good and that it make my eyelashes look longer from afar, so I would purposely leave them. And now just fuck your lower eyelash line. And so now, to the by far most dangerous, wrong, fucked up thing you should never, ever, ever do, but I did every single day, all day. You're going to take your whacked ass eyelash curler that you're going to rip out by doing this. Take your dollar eyelash curler. Do it for the views. My eyelash curler, when I thought it was absolutely genius for this, and I got all my friends to do it, like curl, ow! So now I wouldn't do bronzer, I wouldn't do concealer, I wouldn't do anything, like fuck your eyebrows. This was the entire makeup. This was my lipstick every day. This is literally what I look like. Look. And every picture, I would make this face. Please keep in mind that I was also brunette and avidly actually look like Michael Jackson. This is a lot cuter version of what it was. And I would go, in every fucking picture. Every picture. So now I'm going to show you the wintertime version of my look. So you were not cool unless you had a Juicy Couture Juicy jacket with the J zipper on it. But I can't find any of those because thank the Lord I retired them. Bonus points if the hood has fur. Fuck it up, cream. But the goal was to buy all of your clothes, like I said earlier, like 2 or 3 sizes too small. Like now, if I were to buy her jacket, I would definitely wear like a medium or a large, so it was big and comfortable. But this is an extra small like I used to wear, so I would wear a shirt. I wouldn't wear a shirt underneath it because who the fuck does that? And I would zip the jacket up all the way up to where my bra is, and that was it. So I would just look like this in the wintertime every single day. And then I would wear this with Miss jeans or True Religion jeans only, and I have a matching Juicy Couture bag every single day. And I thought I was so fucking cool. So you have to carry this around every single place you go. If you don't have a purse, it goes in your pocket. So when I got to school, I would go straight to the bathroom, like in the morning before school, and I would go in the bathroom, and I would curl my eyelashes, and then I would go to first period, but then I would sit down, put all my books on the table, and while the teacher was getting started for class and everyone was like sitting down, I would take my little thing back out, and I would curl my eyelashes again, and then right when class was over, I would take out the curler again. In the middle of class, I got in trouble for this all the time. Then I would go to the next class, and then when it was over, I would do this for 6 periods a day, every single day for 2 entire years. I got written up for this. I got detention for this. One time I got RPCs just because I foozed the fuck. I don't know why she was so fucking cunt, but whatever. So that completes for the look. To make sure that every time you're sitting or talking to boys, just arch your back like this. So you sit like this so your tits are out, just like perfectly out so everyone can see them. Never zip your zipper. I don't care if it's 40 degrees. You can wear a scarf and just have the scarf hanging down, but your tits still have to show. So that's the look. I hope you enjoyed High School Tana Ho look. You'll get so much dick. I hope you enjoyed this look. I will talk to you in the next video. Subscribe.